Today we are studying Roman numerals. Roman use 7 symbols, that is symbol I, symbol V, symbol X, symbol L, symbol C, symbol D and symbol M to write any number. Symbol I used by Roman is equal to 1 in Hindu Arabic numeral. Similarly, symbol V in Roman numeral is equal to 5 in Hindu Arabic numeral. Similarly, symbol X is equal to 10, symbol L is equal to 50, symbol C is equal to 100, symbol D is equal to 500, symbol M is equal to 1000. For example, when we want to write 10, we can write X in Roman numeral. Similarly, when we want to write 100, we can write C. Now we are studying rules for writing Roman numerals. Rule number 1, repetition of a symbol means addition. Now take one example. This is I. In this symbol I repeats 3 times. Symbol I is equal to 1. So we can add here 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Take another example, XX. In this symbol X repeat 2 times. X is equal to 10. That is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Now there is rule number 2. If a symbol of smaller value is placed to the right of a symbol of greater value, then the values of symbols are added. Take one example, CXX. The smaller value is X, the bigger value is C. The smaller value is placed to the right of the bigger value. Then we have to add all the numbers. That is 100, C is equal to 100, X is equal to 10, X is equal to 10. So 100 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 120. Similarly, take one example, LX. That is equal to, L means 50, X is equal to 10. So 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Now we are studying rule number 3. If the symbol of smaller value is placed to the left of a symbol of greater value, means जो value का symbol छोटा है वो left side रखनी है हमने greater value से, then the value of the symbol to the left is subtracted from the symbol to its right. तो जो left में value है उसको हम subtract करेंगे right वाली value से. Take one example, XL. The smaller value is X, the larger value is L. The smaller value is placed at the left of the larger value. So here we can subtract here. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. XC, C is equal to 100, X is equal to 10. X is placed to the left of the C. That is, we can here subtract. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. Got it? Now we are studying rule number 4. If a symbol of smaller value is placed between 2 symbols of greater values, it is always subtracted from the symbol succeeding it. Means, take one example, LIX. In this, the symbol I is smaller than both of the number. So 1 is subtracted from X. L is equal to 50, 1 is subtracted from X, that is 10, that is equal to 9. So the answer is 59. We can write 59 is equal to L, 1, I and X. Take one example, C, X, 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 1, V. C means 100, X, X, X means 30. And it is placed to the right of the larger number, so we can add here, and but 1 I is smaller than V, so we can subtract here. 5 minus 1 is equal to 100 plus 30 plus 4 is equal to 134.